Hello everyone. I was reading an article in the Epoch Times about scientists saying there's a color never seen before, and it certainly caught my attention. Wanted to see what this color was all about and how this thing worked. Where's this color been? How do I see it? Well, it went like this. There is a machine called the Oz, and what it has the ability to do is it has the ability to reduce the amount of cones that our eyes see through. Now, we have millions of cones in our eyes, but we only have three types. We have a cone for red, a cone for blue, and a cone for green. And they were able, with this machine, the Oz, is to not use two of those three cones, the colors. So the only cone that was being used, and there's millions of these, a couple millions at least of these cones that are only for green that our eyes have. And so when you're seeing something unfiltered by the other two color cones, it produced a color that looks like this. You say, wow, that's pretty intense. But it's even actually more intense than this. But because we have these cones and all three colored cones in our eyes, we can't really see what they were seeing through the Oz machine. Here's an example of, or a way of seeing in your mind the color that the five scientists were able to see on the Oz machine. Pretend everything is a world of pink. Different shades of pink. Light pink, dark pink, hot pink, pastel pink. And then all of a sudden, for the very first time, you see true, bright, fire engine red. You're like, wow, that's a different color. That's how we need to take a look at this color. This is what we can see. This might be the hot pink. What would it look like if it was even more and more intense than this? If you can see that in your mind's eye, good for you. Then you're able to see it but not share it with somebody else. Now, we can't even get a paint color, this color. Can't do it. Why? Because there's so much stuff in paint for other purposes. There's some white in there, some titanium. There's all kinds of different things in paint that dilutes its ability to get so intense. So we would have to have basically a bucket that is as clear as water in order to get it this intense, let alone even more intense than this. I don't know how we would do it. I guess we have to take some couple million cones out of our eyes and just have the green cones left. Probably don't want to do that. I like the variety of colors, but I do think it's pretty interesting that there's colors out there we just can't see.